All right, everybody, so we are in the room here at Dollywood's DreamMore Resort. You walk in the room, the first thing you have is these little hooks on the wall for your jackets, umbrella, whatever you need to hang up. There to the right, there is a full-length mirror, so you can see how beautiful you are. And then to the left is the bathroom. You have your own water closet here, and then the vanity has the sconces on the side. Oh, there we are in the mirror. Just realized that. But anyway, so it has granite countertops, have all your towels, dryer, hair dryer down there, and this room is a king room. It comes with just a standard tub and shower. It's real nice looking. This is the light. It doesn't get any brighter in here. You have soap, shampoo, and conditioner with the Dollywood DreamMore logo on it.
I think this is really cute too. Like on this mirror, there's even a little DreamMore butterfly.
You know what would be cool though? If there was a light behind that.
Oh yeah, where it lit up.
Lit that logo up.
This mirror is really cute though. It's hanging from like a little chain.
Oh, it has the logo on the hook up there too as well.
That's really cool.
So,
kind of unique.
Yeah, it looks like there's some attention to detail.
Even these have like little flowers on
in this room. It is a little small from what we've seen so far.
Yeah, I felt like it was a little small also.
So there's the door for the adjoining room, if you had that. Your closet area here with the ironing board. You have your hangers.
Even some more storage.
And the storage
down here. Little laundry bag. That's cool.
So here's the main room. Like I said, this is the king. So it's a decent size, nice size king size bed.
This is also as bright as it gets in here too.
Yeah, this is all the lighting. We have the curtains open as well to try to help get some light in here. It's kind of on the darker side of things, but I feel like it feels real homey. Like I feel like this is more my bedroom at home or something. Even the bathroom, I feel like it's welcoming.
Yeah,
it's homey feeling.
The attention to detail makes it like that. The little butterfly wings
right there. You have Dream
on both of them.
On the lamps.
I love the headboard. I think that's
headboard.
You know, sometimes most of the time you go in hotels, it's just a square headboard, whatever. I feel like they did a more.
It has this is the king room with the pull-out sofa bed, so that couch does pull out. You see, there's the room. I mean the window. There's no balcony here. Right here, your TV stand inside of this area here. On this side.
It's a little refrigerator.
It's a refrigerator.
Your safe.
Safe. On the other side with some drawers.
Pup's enjoying opening these doors.
TV, a decent sized TV. It's going
this
over
is
here.
This is granite right here also.
Yeah, there's granite on here.
Which is pretty cool. Pup got the safe open.
So over here. There is another lamp on the desk area.
And it also is logo.
With the DreamMore.
With the DreamMore
logo on it. And I love that photo
right
there of the guitars.
This is a cute mirror.
So this is
the orange like pops, you know.
Which
it's
I
really
think
cute.
it's their color.
Well,
I think this
butterflies
is their color too.
have orange wings, and I think that's a big thing.
So you have like the one cup coffee maker here. Hup has found something over here.
I don't know what that is.
It looks like some USB and HDMI, so you could probably watch a movie. So let's turn this lamp on here.
That makes it a little bit brighter. So there's 3 lamps, no overhead light.
But like I said, the room is a little on the small side, but I mean, you're not spending a lot of time in your room anyway. But check this desk out. Look at this desk with the wood.
And that's a large chair. That chair is nice.
The glass top.
Oh, this is not just like a little small tiny chair. This is pretty big.
Yeah, little workstation is nice. So let's see what kind of view we got. It looks like they put us on the front.
Even these curtains have a little more attention to detail. How they're fringed. They're not just like plain, you know, fabric curtains. They're cute. They're actually really cute.
Yeah.
I like those.
So we don't have a lot of views of the mountains. They're mainly on the back side of us. We do have a good view of the fountain out front though. So we get some good views of that tonight. With it all lit up, you can already see the lights on. But yeah, there you go. Turn back around, you can kind of see the whole
bed is kind of
room.
tough.
So yeah, let me let me test out the bed. You said the bed is too tough.
A little tough.
Too tough. A little hard.
Oh my goodness, guess what, y'all? It is snowing outside our window.
Oh, look at this.
It just started snowing. I'm sorry. I had to interrupt the room tour to get y'all a little glimpse of the snow. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it is snow flurrying a little bit. You can just barely see it. It's just now started.
There you go. You can see them.
Yeah, you can see them a little bit.
Through on the camera.
It is snowing in Pigeon Forge.
So yeah. So
it's coming down.
Looks really cool. Snowing here. We're gonna get some more video on the other side, out on the patios of it snowing as well.
Them are some big flakes.
So
whoa.
I want to sit. Let's test the bed and see, and also we'll let you guys know in the morning how it slept, how our night went here. Yeah, I mean,
it's a little rough.
It's a little bit on the firm side, but I think it'll work. I'd rather have that.
I'd rather sink in it.
Yeah, I'd rather have that than rolling off the side. So we'll let you guys know in the morning how the bed slept. We're gonna go out here and we're gonna get some more video. This is a resort, so they have a restaurant, they have a bar, they have they have Starbucks here, and we're gonna show you all those things. And it is Christmas here at Dollywood's DreamMore, so it is decorated to the T. So we're gonna go get those views for you and share them with you here, along with the snow. All right, everyone. We just woke up from our stay here
at
DreamMore. We're about to go check out. Just want to let you know our final thoughts on DreamMore, and yeah, would we recommend it? And also we wanted to experience the Christmas decorations here at Dollywood's DreamMore. As far as the resort goes, overall, I like it. I think it's a great resort. It feels homey. It feels welcoming, and it kind of feels like you're at home while you're here. There's so many living spaces here, and then the room is real homey feeling. As far as the bed goes, it is a firm bed.
Even the pillows are really firm.
Yeah, the pillows and
the bed I didn't like that, but I liked the resort overall. I thought it was really nice.
Yeah, I think so too. We highly recommend this.
The Christmas decorations were to a T. They were very good. They were, they did everything. They didn't miss one decoration. The trees are full of ornaments. It's just beautiful right now. So yeah, we will definitely be back here. I liked that this time of year they're doing like different kind of little activities with the kids, gingerbread houses, s'mores, things like that. Those are the things that draw you back to a hotel when they're interactive with their guests and stuff like that. So I really enjoyed that too. I don't know if they do different activities throughout the year based off the time of year it is or the season or things like that. But for Christmas, that's what they're doing, and we really enjoyed it.
Yeah. But we highly recommend this place. During Christmas, it is fantastic. Decorations are great. But I guess that's going to do it for this video. By the way,
where's Timmy?